Breaking, dear Mr. Ruford Okonkwo, Dr. Damages. I regret to inform you that due to some unforeseen circumstances, I must cancel our scheduled interview and media interaction set for Monday, January 13th, 2025. I sincerely apologize for any inconveniences this may cause. We can reschedule the interview in the future at a more appropriate time and place. Thanks, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, COS, DPM, United States of Biafra. This is a post that our brother Marvelous Arinze made. But before we do justice to this post, welcome back to my channel. And please like the video. If you are new, subscribe, very important, and comment. Tell us what you think about what this video is all about. The cancellation of the supposed interview that was scheduled to hold tomorrow, being Monday 13th of January 2025. And this post was reposted, by Marvelous Arinze. Why I'm reading this from his handle is because it's not because I have not seen this post in COS handle, but it seems like Arinze have a lot of in the community country or community pressure group or whatever you may choose to call them. It seems like you have people like that following him a lot. A lot of them are following him. And one of the comments here says, as you can see here, the psychiatrist cannot withstand critical questions from the true Biafrans, so she backed down. Whereas our competent PM, accepted it and lashed out on the Zoological Republic. A back-raking Ngozi leader on the run. I don't know what you're talking about. Backing Ngozi. A backing Ngozi leader is on the run. Look at the same people with zero brain. You said true Biafrans, so you recognize that people following her are true Biafrans, and your own group where you have your acting prime minister. I don't know. Is acting prime minister. Anyway, I don't want to go there for now. But you get the point. At least you acknowledge the fact that real Biafrans are following her and she is leading real Biafrans. Then Ihechi, who's happened to be another Ofeke from the same group, said Madam Abala is also. So her Iron Lady status no reach this one. Tomorrow she go open mouth say she is fearless when it comes to USB matter. Abi, these are samples. Because if not, you don't understand that she just displayed a very, very good gesture. That she's a listening leader. Somebody who understands the minds of the people that she's leading. Or probably you guys were expecting her to make such mistakes so that we can start having this kind of negative feelings about her decision, about her stubbornness. No, I presume that this is another way of crying and complaining. Dr. Wisdom, I don't know most of them, but let me just go through a few of the comments. Says, thank Ma for listening to your followers. There you go. That is to validate what I just said. Ogenkere group of we're expecting her to go and do what? It's not as if she go there to damage anything, but for her to understand that the persistent call for her to cancel it, and she already listened to the call, is a very, very good, a welcome development. It does not show weaknesses, but an actionable wisdom. This is what we call democracy. Listen to your people. This singular action, that's what I mean. This singular action has promoted you and has gained you more trust from Biafrans all over the world. Ma, thank you very, very much. I made a video, in solidarity of Biafrans calling for her to terminate that, interview. the interview that's not going to yield any good fruit, what are we going to get from that? Is it popularity or publicity from Dr. Damage's platform? I don't think so. You are the one, publicizing his own platform, not him using his platform to, to give you publicity, as some people, trying to paint it to be. Well, as a leader that listens to her citizens, you decided to go with them on this. That is cool. We, the minority, had our say in asking you to go, but the majority carried the vote. Yes, some of you asked her to go, but thank God that, you see, Biafrans that understand what is going on and accept the fact that the group that you are supporting, if they are majority or minority, is even a good idea, very very good, if you ask me. So Biafrans are here, some are in support, some are complaining, some are even congratulating her, sending a congratulative message to her because of that act, what she have done. Very 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 good. So my people, I just want to share this with you because some people see it as a weakness. Oh, you thought you say you are iron lady. That is not what it means. But due to their poor, reasoning and weaknesses in their mentality and every other thing, when they gather like this, when they're trying to pretend they know everything when they don't know anything, this is what kind of thing you see. Anyway, my people, tell me what you think about it, and are you in support? Are you happy, or you think that this is out of weaknesses? Do you think that she's weak by giving this listening ear to the people? Everybody, what I can see in the comment section is good, very very nice. So my people, thank you so much for your time, and like the video. Like I said, comment what do you think about it. God bless you, and see you again.